Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Jaxon Jackyl from Cluckies. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. We'll start with two curved lines up and out, leaving a gap in between. And then add a curve underneath. Now inside the left eye, let's draw a curve down and back up and color it in black. And then a circle at the top of the other eye. Now underneath the eyes, let's draw a curve down and then bring it up and out. And the same on the right side. Next, let's move up and let's draw the top part of the head. Let's start with a curve on top. And then curve it up and out for the tops of the ears. Now for the left ear, let's curve it all the way down. And for the right side, let's draw a small curve. Then let's leave a gap and continue it down. Now inside the gap, let's draw the earring. Let's start with a small curve inside. And then two C-shaped curves out and around. Now inside the head here, let's draw the mask. Let's start with a small curve on top in between the eyes. Then let's curve it up and back down, and the same on the right. And that's it for the top part of the head. Now let's move down and draw the nose. Underneath, let's draw a curve across. And then curve both sides down and in to a point. Now inside the nose, on the top left, let's draw a teardrop shape like this. And then color the rest of the nose in black. Now top underneath and let's draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve across. And then curve it up and out on both sides. Now underneath, let's draw a long curve down and in, meeting at the center. And then let's add the same curve underneath. Now top inside the mouth and let's draw the teeth. Let's start with two curved V-shapes at the top. And then two more on both sides. And now let's do the same thing at the bottom. And then inside at the top, let's draw a curve down and back up for the tongue. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop to the sides and let's finish drawing the shape of the head. From the lines we drew earlier, let's curve it in. Then another pointed V shape outwards. Curve it down. And then bring it back in. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath and let's draw two curves down for the sides of the vest. Then next to it, let's draw a curve down and bring it back up at the bottom. Then another set of curves down, and close off the bottom of each side. Now underneath the vest, let's draw 2 curves down for the waist. Now top to the center and let's draw a sideways oval for the belt buckle. And then 2 curves on both sides. Next, let's add the patch on the chest. In the center, let's draw 2 bumps down, and the same on the right. And then curve it down on both sides. And then 2 more bumps inside. And that's it for the torso. Now let's hop out and let's draw the arms. Next to the head, let's start with a curve down, and then another one inside starting from the vest. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. From the inside line, let's draw a curve in and back out for the thumb. Now let's draw another curve underneath like this. And then 2 more curves going upwards for the rest of the fingers. Now inside at the wrist, let's draw 3 bumps across. And then let's add curved V-shapes at the end of each finger for the fingernails. And that's it for the arms. Now let's move down and draw the legs. From the sides of the belt, let's angle it out and curve it down. And let's do the same thing underneath, like this. Now underneath for the boots, let's draw a curve up and back down on the outside. And then a larger curve next to it. And then add a bump underneath. Now for the outside, let's draw a curve across. And then a point up and back down. Now for the bottom of the shoes, let's angle it in from the heel, then a curve up, and then close it off all the way across. Now inside that little bump, let's draw an angled line up. Now let's hop inside and let's add some details. Starting from the top of the shoe, let's draw a curve down. And then a circle inside at the top. And lastly, on the heels, let's draw a point out with a curve inside. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the left side of the body, let's draw a wavy line down and out. And then curve it back in underneath. And then add some bumps inside across. And that's it for Jaxon Jackyl. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!